Alright guys, so today I'll be showing you how to install n8n locally on your desktop computer. That's Docker Compose, and then you can run it, and you can run n8n directly from your desktop, right? So first you need to download the desktop app. So you just open the website here, docker.com, and you can download. You can choose depending on your operating system. Is it Windows? You can choose Windows. I have another video on how to do it, run it on Mac. Yeah, but for now, I'll be doing it today on Windows. So you can click to download depending on what Windows version you're using. As you can see, I'm on version 4.41.2, so it's already installed. Now, another way could be if you want to install n8n, you could go through the Docker Hub here after installing, and then you just type here n8n and install, and type, and it's going to show you the package here which you can just install. Yeah, but this is not what I want us to do, because usually when you take that step, it brings some few complications. So I'll be showing you how to use command prompts to install that. Okay, so first we need to create a text file, and we paste this file in here. So this file, okay, yeah, we need to create a text file, and then we paste this in there. So I'm going to leave this in the browser so you can copy it, right? Then we need to save the file as yes. Just before we save the file, we need to migrate into the PC, into drive C. Migrate to drive C. Then you go to users, click on users, click on the username, and then in here you need to create the folder. So I already have a folder created here as n8n setup, so you can name it whatever name you want. So in here I'm going to just right click here, and then I click the text file, open it. Then let me just shift this to the side. Okay, text file, open it. Then here I'm going to just copy this and then just move it over here. The text file I just created. Then I will right click and then save as docker dash compose .yml, just like that. Save it just like that. Then the save as type, I want to keep it as all files, okay, because I don't want to save it as a txt file. Then I hit save. So you should be able to see that here. If you successfully save it as as all files, you should be able to see it here. So I will just delete this one, because we don't want a text file in there, right? Then the next thing to do is to go back to command prompts. To go back to command prompts, then I'm just going to type cd. I'm going to navigate into the folder. Then I just hit the tab button, to switch. I'll keep tapping until I find the folder where it's saved. Right in here, so it's saved in dot. Remember, the name of the folder was n8n setup. So I hit enter. Then I just want to check if the file is already in there. So I type gri, that's a directory, to search if the file is there, and you can see the file is there already. So if you type gri and you don't find the file, that means you probably didn't save it well. So you need to check again. Cool. So now I'm going to type docker to install, right? I'm going to type docker /compose -up -nt. But before I hit enter here, I just want to check, just to make sure, to confirm with you that it is not yet installed and not running. Okay, we have it here, but all right, let me just delete this because I already had it installed. Let me delete this. Okay, I think I need to go to volume and delete it from here. Cool, just to make sure it's not in there, right? I'm going to delete this. Yeah, cool, just to make sure it's not there and it's not running. I'm gonna pause the engine. Okay, start it back, just to make sure it's not running. Okay, cool. So as you can see, it's not running. So now the next thing to do is when you type docker -compose up -d and I hit enter, So as you can see, it starts installing the package, the full package, as you can see here. So it starts installing. So you just leave it for a while. But one thing you want to do is to make sure that your internet is stable, because if your internet is not stable and not fast enough, you could be running into a couple of issues installing it. So just make sure your internet is stable. Okay, cool. So let's give it some few seconds for it to install. All right, guys. So as you can see, it's now installed. It's now installed. So we can go ahead to test now to see if it's properly installed. So if I can go back to my containers here, as you can see, it's installed here now and it's running on port 5678. Okay, so now if I click here, I should be able to visit n8n. Boom, there you go. Cool. So now it's your setup for you to register if you want to register. As you can, if you can check the URL, you see that it's running on localhost. Yeah, cool. So as you can see, it's now running locally on your computer, and all you have to do now is just to set up with your credentials, and then you confirm and hit enter, and that's all. All right, guys. So this was the quickest and the simplest steps that I could show you how to run Docker locally on your computer. And if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section, and my email is also in the comment section. If you have any further if you need any further assistance, just write me and I will respond to you. All right, thank you very much. Good luck with building.